Today I am going to tell you about Apple update which is available in my Xiaomi Mi A1. So this mobile is based on the Android One platform. So every month I will get directly update from the Google. So this is the benefit of this mobile because I will get directly updated from the Google, and my mobile is most updated mobile compared to any other mobile. So first of all, we are going to download the update. It is 440 MB update. So it is the bigger update after 8.0 Orio update. So after that, I will give you about the information, what are the new features added after update and what the bugs are fixed. So myself says so, you are watching Super and Simple. Let's start the update. So after getting this update, I have used this mobile for 2 days and I found two things are improved in this mobile. First of all is the data connectivity. So the network error bug fixed, and in earlier I have found that at the time of downloading or calling, sometimes data network error found, data lost error found, network lost error found. So after getting this update, I have found the stable network and the stable data connectivity. Second thing is the battery performance. So in earlier the battery charging time, and after getting update this is the same time, but the improvement is the draining time. After heavy use of the mobile, I have found that the battery draining time is increased and improved. So this is the one of the best improvement after getting this update. But one more thing I am going to tell you, that Google has given April update, but the actual update, you have seen that it is the March update. So Google has made the April Fool to all of us, and Google says that you will get April update soon, and I hope this is the 8.1 update in April update. So I will tell you about the next update in my next video. So keep watching my video, subscribe it, share it, and please watch this video. Goodbye.